NeoTech Process, where next-gen factories, robotics, and sci-fi engineering come to life.
Imagine stepping off a skyscraper and rising instead of falling. This entire facility engineers that defiance.
Here, the VoidCore Anti-Gravity Suit is born, a second skin that bends gravity itself. Unlike rockets that fight gravity with brute thrust, VoidCore quietly rewrites your personal gravitational field. It is not just armor or transport. It is a wearable engine for directional weightlessness.
Deep beneath a storm-swept plateau, a circular complex hums, anchoring the world's first gravity forge.
Off-world haulers deliver exotic asteroid metals, orbital graphene spools, and sealed rare earth ingots to robotic intake. Below, a vertical vacuum crucible descends into engineered darkness, where
pressure falls near absolute zero. Quantum fluctuations brush bare alloy as environments of almost perfect emptiness form.
molten metal streams descend through magnetic funnels, stretched atom by atom and imprinted with subtle vacuum tension. The alloy cools into void lattice, a structure that remembers emptiness and resists gravitational compression like a spring. Surrounding the crucible, colossal toroidal anti-gravity loops ignite, twisting space-time into controlled pockets of altered weight.
Inside each shimmering loop, robotic test masses float, sink sideways, or grow impossibly heavy under shifting gravity vectors.
Silver threads of void lattice enter these loops, hanging weightless as articulated robots weave them into complex geometries. The loops slowly rotate their fields, inverting gravity while the alloy hardens into a gravitic conductor. From the loops emerge articulated ribs, joints, and flexible plates that naturally channel forces along invisible field lines. These components glide along maglev tracks into a vaulted assembly hall, a cathedral of silent machines and light. Multi-armed robots assemble a gleaming exoframe, locking limbs and vertebrae, while micro-actuators seed every joint. Each actuator houses an inertial damper node, tiny gyroscopic hearts that will reshape acceleration around living tissue. Robotic arms drape a dark, shimmering mesh underlayer, a sensory membrane that clings like liquid shadow.
Quantum dot sensors ripple across its surface, ready to read muscles, heartbeat, and subtle tremors in surrounding gravity.
Segmented void lattice plates lock over the membrane, forming a flexible second skeleton tuned to alien physics.
At the heart, robots lower a crystalline sphere into 3 nested rings, suspending it above the chest cavity.
Within that sphere, engineered vacuum condenses into a microscopic pocket, ready to sculpt controllable gravitational gradients. Braided void lattice conduits connect core to spine, boots, and shoulders, while palm and heel emitters await activation.
In a shielded calibration chamber, the completed suit stands alone as the VoidCore spins up for first ignition.
Sensors flicker as dust drifts sideways. The suit lightens, sinks, then gently rises under self-generated gravity.
An East Asian human steps inside, the membrane tightens, and their first tentative stride becomes a smooth, gliding motion.
In simulated urban collapses, robotic wearers run up disintegrating walls, gravity rotated ahead of every step. Hurricane wind tunnels howl around test rigs as the suits dial heavier gravity, pinning rescuers like living anchors.
Orbital drop simulations show the transition from Earth's pull to microgravity smoothing into a gentle gravitational fade.
Outside the lab, designers imagine high-rise construction as aerial ballet, workers stepping between floors through open air.
Emergency responders descend into ravines, flooded tunnels, and burning chasms, unconcerned with ladders, ropes, or unstable ground.
Cities shed dependence on stairs and elevators, while the elderly reclaim movement without fear of falling.
On the Moon and Mars, settlers tune gravity for bone health, or lighten themselves to lift massive structures.
Militaries envision soldiers drifting silently over defenses, a power so profound it demands unprecedented restraint.
The VoidCore suit becomes more than machinery. It rewrites humanity's relationship with the oldest force it knows. Gravity once authored our limits, Mountains, crashes, falls. This technology quietly places the pen in our hands. A future child may stand on a cloud's edge, feeling no fear, only the exhilaration of choice. With VoidCore, the direction we fall ceases to be fate and becomes deliberate, engineered design.
If you enjoy the video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more.